Da Jia Hao was sure Donnell Creel. Hello, I'm Don Creel, Director of Electrophysiology at the Moran Eye Center in Salt Lake City. Today we're going to talk about multifocal electroretinograms. Eric Sutter adapted the mathematical sequences called binary M sequences so that one can isolate from a single electrical signal an electroretinogram approximation from each square millimeter of the retina. These electroretinograms look like a flash electroretinogram, but are in fact a mathematical average of an approximation of a B wave. Let's go take a look at the recording equipment.
When selecting a room for electrophysiological recording, choose a room with little electrical interference. Do not choose a room adjacent to a source of high voltage interference such as an elevator, high amperage autoclave, or centrifuges. A room with a sink is convenient for washing your hands and cleaning electrodes. An internet connection is good to have so you can share data, and the manufacturer of your system can download software updates and access your computer to help solve problems. Be compulsive about the organization of your room. Keep your dilating drops, balanced salt solution in same location so they are easily accessible. Be compulsive about your recording procedures. Use the same room lighting. Place every patient in the same location.